We'll guide you through how to find Namecheap domain deals with ease. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the official Namecheap website. On the homepage, you'll find the Domains tab in the top navigation bar. Hover over it and a drop-down menu will appear. Here, look for the Promotions option and click on it. This will take you to a page specifically dedicated to all the current deals and discounts on domains. Once you're on the Promotions page, you can scroll through the list to see a variety of discounted domain extensions and offers. Be sure to check the expiration dates on these deals so you don't miss out. You can also sign up for Namecheap's newsletter to receive updates on upcoming promotions directly to your email. If you're looking for specific domain extensions, use the search bar and filter options to narrow down the deals that suit your needs. Keep in mind that deals can vary widely, from discounted first-year registrations to savings on multi-year renewals, so it's worth exploring the options available. Once you find a deal that interests you, click on it to see more details and proceed with the purchase. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.